YouTube, welcome back to Always Double Down. Like, share, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Let's get right into it, right? It's been brutal for the last couple days. Let's match a symbol today, right? You're gonna give me 2x. Oh, we got some birds. The bird is the word. Alright. And we'll come back to that and see what the value is on it. Can we score any other symbols here? Alright. Alright, bird. You are the word. What is the value? And it is a playback for the word of the day. Could have been something much more cooler, but hey, you know what? We'll take the 10. Playback's a playback, so. Alright. Yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Let me do the stupid so y'all don't have to, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.